So if you don't know about the Davidson River, it's one of these beautiful freestone streams that we have here in Western North Carolina. It's about 45 minutes like southwest of Asheville in outside a town called Brevard. And it is legendary, especially the catch and release section is super legendary for being filled with just massive brown trout and rainbow. It's where the trout fish hatchery is. So all of the fish that they stock in Western North Carolina is they're bred there and they're hatched there before they go out into the streams. And so it's kind of like the base of the fly fishing industry, like kind of in Western North Carolina. Super legendary. So I haven't fished it before, and I'm really excited to go out and give it a try. I'm going to stop and get some flies at Davidson River Outfitters on my way in, because it's like right across the street from where I'm going to start fishing. And yeah, but it's going to be all small patterns. We got to do like midges, and I think I read pheasant tails and like micro caddis. So I don't have any of those on me, so I'm going to go and get some of those at Davidson River as well. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I was gonna like get shots of Davidson River Outfitters, the inside of it and stuff like that, but it is so cool that I got distracted and I forgot. So I didn't get any shots of the inside, but definitely if you're down in this area, it's like a freaking like candy shop for fly fishers. There's so many different flies. They have all sorts of fun gear. Fly tying gear and supplies and stuff like that. It's awesome. Definitely come check it out. Davidson River Outfitters. So the plan is to go right up here. So there's like a kind of a day use area and campground like right up here. And the stretch of the river right there is hatchery supported. And then once you work past the campground, you're gonna end up at like in the catch and release area, which is the more legendary part. So we're gonna kind of work our way upstream to that eventually, but gonna park down in like the day use area and kind of work our way up. Got anything there. All right, cool. So plan is we're gonna start on this delayed harvest section here, see if we get any fish, and if not, we're gonna work our way upstream. I've tied on a dry dropper rig at the moment. Got like a little mini micro kind of caddis, elk hair caddis, and then a little black midge, zebra midge on the bottom there. We're gonna see what happens here. I gotta get some gink on that thing before we toss, but it's time to go. Alright, so I had to switch flies because the fly that I got at David River Outfitters, I think I got a bite and the hook broke, so I'm gonna try the pheasant tail that we got and see what happens.
Got the skunk out of the way. Okay, I was kind of worried about that. I thought we might get a skunk, but we've caught a brown trout on the Davidson River. Bucket list item checked. That's awesome. Swallowed up a little, I think it was like a 14 size pheasant tail. Pulled them off. I think there was a rock over there. I knew there was a fish in there. I knew it was there. I didn't have my cameras running, of course. I'm gonna try to catch another one with all the cameras going, so hopefully we can get like some real shots now that I know they're over there. All right, so I'm gonna, I think, call it there. Nice to actually catch some fish on video. I've been catching a lot of fish lately, but I haven't made a video where I caught fish in yet. So got the skunk out of the way, got a couple fish in the net. I got another little small kind of juvenile, not quite juvenile, a little bit older than a juvenile, like rainbow as well. And so between the two, but it's starting to get cold, so I'm starting to go down. I'm starting to get hungry. I have lunch in the van, so I'm gonna go back and grab some food. Just such a beautiful piece of water. I feel so lucky to have the opportunity to come out here, and it's not far. It's 45 minutes away, so I'm gonna come back for sure. What a beautiful stretch of river. Thanks for tuning in to this one, y'all. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in seeing me do all sorts of fun outdoor adventures, fly fishing, van lifing, camping, all of it. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Thanks.